my mom is a technical difficulty. She keeps moving her thumb, so this is part 4. This is still part 3, actually. For the wing, you want to be careful. I'm keeping my eye on my mom. Yeah, that's a small wing. Yeah. It's a cute wing. It looks like a pocket. So first, back up. First you want to draw the wing. That. You can't tell that's light, but you probably can. You have to do everything light first. Like I just did. No, it's barely light. You can still see the marks. But you guys can't sort of see the marks. I'm going to do the eye first. No, I'm not. Never mind.
Where's his daughter at? Did she bail after the first show?
Mom, I'm still doing my video. Mom. Okay, so I got the tiny little beak in there. It's so cute. Now, for the eye, I kind of want to do this. Like it's looking up, but it's not. Then you just want to... Now this is black. That's like the only thing that's black. This is like the only Flappy Bird that's round. That's round and not like this. Yeah. Well, one of them. One of them, anyways. Now, of course, it's all. Of course, it's all yellow right there. And for the beak, same thing on the other one. It's red or orange or whatever that color is. Then I gotta do something to the eye. By the way, you're supposed to erase that. I forgot to erase it. Okay. I got that. I know there's more detail to it, but I don't care. I'm not spending. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm just gonna do it like this. That's supposed to be like lightish, like really light orange. Who cares? Okay, now for the eye. Okay. That's supposed to be white, but I like black. Who cares? No, it does care. I do care. Everyone cares. Yay. Just stop vibrating. Do that. And then what you want to do is get your blue wherever that went. Oh, it's on the ground. Of course. Anyway, once you get that, what if you see right there? See? Right there. I wanted to make a bullseye, but I couldn't. You might as well take the lip and color right there. There you go. It's cute. Now, last thing is the beak. Of course, it's supposed to be red. I'll just do this. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe our videos.